Listen, today we're gonna be installing macOS Mojave on a flash drive. Alright, so we're gonna get it done nice and easy. You gotta tune in. Alright, so you guys made it right here into the secret lair of the PhoneSmith. All we'll need for this tutorial is a flash drive and the DMG or the macOS installation file. If you're using Windows, it will be a drag to try to get a Mac software to flash on a flash drive. Let's jump right into the tutorial. Alright guys, so here we're on our desktop or laptop, whatever you're using to flash this. Again, you only can do this with Mac, which is the fastest and most convenient way. The first two files we'll need for this is this creator 2 and macOS Mojave. This is a DMG file. This is a regular, another DMG file, which is an application, which will actually flash this OS onto a flash drive in, less than 35-40 minutes. So again, I'll provide these two softwares or files in the description. So first, what I'd like to do is go to this creator. Quick tip: if this creator does not open up, guys, please go to your system preferences. After you go to system preferences, guys, go to security and privacy. After you go to security and privacy, we're gonna click this lock icon right here at the down, like left side down below. Yeah, click that, enter your password. After you enter your password, basically we're gonna click either App Store or App Store and identified developers. So we're gonna click the lower one right here. So after you click that, just just exit off of it or just click this to lock it, and now it locks it in. And after you lock it in, now you can open this creator with no type of security warning or any issues that your Mac might be coming up with. It opens up, there it goes, very simple, very easy, very effective. And you go right here. I'm gonna plug the flash drive. I flashed the flash drive already. However, I'm gonna re-flash it again just to show you guys that it did work, and I will show you guys the last step, which is plugging it into the computer to show you guys that it worked perfectly when you're trying to boot it from a flash drive. So I'm gonna plug in my flash drive. After I plug it in, I'm gonna go back right here. There it goes, install macOS Mojave. It's gonna give you the same, it's gonna rename your flash drive as well. All right, so you're gonna click that just to select your flash drive. You're gonna use the flash. You're gonna go to click choose a macOS installer, which is basically this file I provided for you guys in the description, which is like 6 gigs. All right, go to desktop. There it goes, macOS Mojave. Click open, and then now, guys, this is gonna be the real deal, the easiest thing you can do. Click create installer. All right, it's gonna tell you to erase the disk. I'm gonna click erase. Put your password. All right, and that's it. So now, guys, it grayed out, and basically now it's making the flash drive. It's actually gonna do what it's supposed to do to make it compatible with the BIOS, so you can just plug it in on any other Mac and it'll work. They'll give it like, again, 5 to 30 minutes, guys, and I'll be back with you guys soon. Alright guys, look, it has been completed. The bootable installer has been created. To boot from it, reboot and hold down the option key during startup. So as you can see, guys, it even gives you instructions on the program called Disk Creator to even tell you how to boot from the flash drive. Alright, so now that we have this settled, guys, that's it, man. Alright guys, so we just got back into the shop. Well, we're at the front of the PhoneSmith, okay? So let's plug in our flash drive that we just flashed. Give me 1 second. I am doing this with one hand. Push that in there. After you push that in there, guys, again, you're gonna press the power button, and as soon as you hit the power button, click option. Or some people like to keep their finger on the option while it's turning on, but same thing. Power, option. Okay, perfect, it turned on. Okay, there goes the flash drive we've just flashed, guys, right here. So you click in there, you don't even need to go on the Wi-Fi, just click in there and let it do its thing, all right? As soon as you get through this step, guys, it's really, well, let me time lapse it, I'll tell you guys. All right, it just finished. Oh, I lied. It's still loading up. Give it a few. I guess it's just, I don't know what the hell that was, but give it a few. Okay. And there it goes, guys. All right, so basically now we're in basically the Mac OS utilities, where if you was to press Command R, you would go to this menu right here in front of you. You would have to log into Wi-Fi. However, we do not need Wi-Fi because again, we're using a flash drive. All right. To install Mac OS Mojave on here, what I like to do personally myself is I go right here into this utility. I go to the Macintosh HD and I erase it. Okay, when I erase it, I click APFS for the format. I'm not gonna erase it, guys, because I've already done this. All right. After I erase it, I click here to install Mac OS. Again, we do not need Wi-Fi because we're using our flash drive. Okay, so it will take a second to load up because it is coming from the flash drive, but it is actually faster than Wi-Fi. Okay, so give it like 2 or 3 seconds. And there it goes. All right, so now with Mac OS Mojave, click continue, click agree, and now we can choose our Macintosh. But we already have Mojave on it, guys, so we're okay. All right, so if I was you guys, I would click install. It'll take roughly 15 minutes, probably less, again, because we're not on Wi-Fi, so we're not depending on the internet. So guys, if you guys liked the video, please like, comment, subscribe to the PhoneSmith.